Hello guys, welcome to Dida Skill Academy, a digital online school of excellence. Here we teach the application of statistics in finance, in digital and content creation, and in so many fields. Therefore, I saw it wise as the Dida Skill Academy to include young generations in understanding deeply several calculations before entering into basic statistics. For example, a concept of multiplication of the similar or identical digits or identical numbers. For example, I found kindergarten children struggling with multiplication of different numbers. For example, 13 here times 13 or 14 times 14. The multiplication of the identical digits or numbers. For you to multiply these numbers very fast without a calculator or any electronic device, you really need to understand the place value of each number. The place value of each number. For example, on 13 here we have ones, and here we have the tens. Ones and tens, that is enough. Therefore, 13 times 13, this simply means we have a 10 inside the two numbers. Therefore, it will be 10 times 10, it is 100. There must be 100 inside the multiplication of the two numbers. And then we have a ones, where digit 3 appears 2 times in each number. Therefore 3 times 3 it will be 9, but it's appearing on the ones. Therefore plus 9. It is simply 109. But now don't forget how many 3's do we have within the same number. How many 3's do we have within the same numbers? So we have 1 and 2. So we have two identical numbers, which are 3, but these numbers, they must appear within the tens because they appear twice within the tens. So here we have 3 times 2. We have 3 times 2 times 10, which is equals to 6 times 10, which is 60. Therefore 109 plus 60 is equals to 169. Therefore, multiplication of 13 times 13 is equals 169. Kindly pause the video and try to multiply 14 times 14. Where here we have 10. So we have 10 times 10, which is 100. There must be 100 within the multiplication of 14 times 14, which is identical numbers. Therefore, we must add 4 times 4, it appears twice, but 4 times 4 within the ones, it is 16, right? It is 16. So here we will have 16 here. We will have 16, right? We will have 16. Then from there you have to identify how many times does 4 appear in each number. It is only 2 times. Therefore 4 times 2 is equals 8. And 8, it appears within the tens of each number. So times 10, which is 80. Therefore, 116 plus 80 is equals 196. Therefore, the answer is 196. You don't need calculator to do these things. They are not easy, but they are simple based on the mindset and how you see numbers. Thank you guys for watching and welcome to our channel. Subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. I love you all. Bye.